Hi guys, this is Jasmine from Excited for Coupons. Well, I'm excited to share with you the ad is really early and I just wanted to share a few stuff that I saw quickly. This ad is for August already. Can you believe we're going to August 5th to the 11th? And we are used to, in the front cover, we're usually being seen spend 30, get 10 ECB, but in this case it's very different. It's talking more about mix and match here items. As you can see, it's going to be Maybelline, L'Oreal, cosmetics and hair care. Fructis and Garnier also is going to be included in that offer. You could mix and match, and once you spend 15, you get back 5 ECB. Based on the ad, is sharing that we're going to be receiving coupons for Maybelline, for L'Oreal, maybe for the L'Oreal lips. But since it's not telling me how many it's going to be or for what specifically, I did not share a deal idea until I'm certain which coupons we're going to be getting. So in the meantime, I am going to share a deal for the Garnier Fructis and for the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. The deal is that you have to spend 15 to get 5. So with this deal idea, you reach the 15 and the price will come out to 50 cents. But keep in the lookout because then later on I will share the best deal idea once I get that information. The ad is showing that L'Oreal shampoo is going to be 2 for $8, and we're going to be receiving a coupon 4 off 2. And the Garnier is going to be 2 for $7, and we're also going to be receiving a coupon 4 off 2. So here's an idea: buy 2 of each, 2 of the L'Oreal and 2 of the Fructis, you reach $15. You use 2 of those coupons, deducting $4 each time, so you pay $7 in the register. But you get back at dinner, you receive $5, making it $2 for 50 cents each item. On that same page, you're going to be seeing good deals for the Arm & Hammer. It's going to be for $1.99. Let me share quickly the deal idea. So this item is going to be on special for $1.99. It's saying that we're going to be getting a coupon for $1, so that's why I put A5. And in the register, the total will be 99 cents for this item. So that's a pretty good deal. On that same page, we're going to be seeing more deals for Gillette. Buy 2, get 8 ECB. The Sky is going to be on special for $6.99, but I don't see any ECBs in return. Some of those medicines, buy 1, get 1 free. They're going to be promoting more and later on the pages in the ad. The Listerine is also going to be on special. The Crest as well. And the cereal is being on special a few weeks now. And also the soda 3 for $10. And as you can see, the Listerine, buy 2 get 2 ECB, or buy 3 get 6 ECB. And I believe there's a coupon for that, so I'll see if there's a good deal and I'll post that in the best deals if it is a good deal. And the Crest is a good deal too. So let's continue with the next page. You'll see more cereals, more food items, the Eat ice cream, Haagen-Dazs, we've been seeing on special. There's still a printable if you really want to buy some ice cream and it's from that brand. This is the time to get it if you really need it because the coupon is still available. You're going to be seeing Big, which is good to be seeing back to school deals, but this one's going to be on special 2 for $4, and we're getting a coupon as well, so that could be a good deal, but I've been seeing better deals in other places. And that is more food items on that page. Hefty bags is going to be on special for $6.99, but I think this week ad is better because you do get back ECB when you spend 20. If you're interested on that deal, you should do this week. Gain is going to be on special, and Tide Pods. It's going to be special for $4.94, but we've been seeing that price. But in this case, you buy 3, you get 3. So let me show you a quick deal idea. I believe the coupon is limit 2 per household. So what I'm doing, you need to buy 3. So in this case, the ad says that there's gonna be a coupon in the CVS app. So what you could do is use 2 coupons from your P&G that we're expecting this Sunday, and you could use the activate in the CVS app once it's available. So you buy 3 of those products, use those 3 coupons, and in the register you pay $5.82. You get back 3 ECB for buying 3, and your total is $2.82 or just 94 cents each bag. But also that was just showing you Tide Pods, but there's also Game Flings and or Unstoppable that is going to be on that deal that you could buy three and you get three and do a mix and match. So the next page also continuing more food items. Buy one get one for the Cheez-Its. Don't forget to submit your receipts that has to do with Kellogg's to Kellogg's Family Rewards, and for every receipt that you submit, they give you points, and then those points you can redeem them for future coupons, and those coupons are one off $1, which are pretty good. So if you're already buying those products, you could just submit it and start earning points. On this page, then you're going to consider seeing candy as well. Also Trident is going to be 2 for $5, and you get back an ECB when you buy two, so it'll be 2 for $4. We'll see if we're going to be getting any coupons for that. On the following page, we're going to be having, I guess, a big offers for beauty. It says over 50 in extra bucks. It has all the pictures there, and then underneath it's going to show you what are the ECBs, what are the best deals for all those different cosmetics. As you can see, there's going to be, we always see Physicians Formula, CoverGirl, Mua, NYX, and I think that's Rimmel, LA Girl, Sally Hansen, and as there you see all of the ones that are going to be on the best deal. I didn't go one by one because I want to see what are the coupons that we're going to be expecting. So what I'm going to be showing you is one of those offers that I see that is pretty good. I'm excited about this deal because this coupon just became available. I believe it was yesterday, and I did a video about it. And it's a really good coupon, but I think the limit is one. So you have to print both coupons. One for any CoverGirl product. The other one is for CoverGirl eye specifically. So here's an idea. One of these items is for the eye, the other one is for a concealer, and I think you could buy either one because one is for product, one is for eye, but I just wanted to give you a different idea in case that you could buy one of each, and the total will be $11.28. You use two of those coupons that are still available, and I'm going to provide them in the description box in case you want to print them before they're no longer available because they're really high value. So in the register, you pay $5.28, you get back 6 ECB, making it free, and 72 cents Moneymaker. Letter A, which is the first product that's on special, is LA Girl, and it's spend 12, you get 6, so that's half right there. But if you do get those coupons that we sometimes get for cosmetics, that is 3 off 12, that will be $3 extra that you will be deducting from your total, and that will be a really good time to get any items from LA Girl. And Physicians Formula is going to be buy 2, and then you get 10 ECB. So those are some ideas. Later on, I'll share the best deals once I go really into detail. On this ad, we're going to be seeing hair products, L'Oreal, which is spend 30, get 10. And they're saying that we're going to be getting a coupon as well. Hopefully, it's not a big limit because lately they've been like limit 1 or 2. So let's see what that coupon states. The Garnier facial care, I haven't seen this deal in a long time. It's buy 2, get 5. And I really like this moisturizer. They have 2 options, and I'm going to be sharing a deal in case you're interested because it's saying we're going to be getting a $3 coupon. These 2 moisturizers in my store, the price is $8.49, so you buy 2 and it'll be $16.98. It's saying that we're expecting that Sunday ECBs of $3, coupons of $3 to use 2 of those. So in the register, you pay $10.98, you get back 5. And your total is $5.98 or just $2.99. But sometimes when we see Garnier deals, we get sometimes when you scan your card in the red box, coupons for moisturizers, face care, or even Garnier. So if you do get one of those, it will be a really good deal. But this is already a good offer since the original price is $8.49, and they're pretty good items. Continuing on this page, you will also see that the Garnier micellar water towelettes and the foaming cleansers are going to be for $6.99, and it's also saying that we're going to be getting coupons of $2. But for the deal that I just shared, it says that it excludes mask and micellar water, so you cannot get that with and expect to get the ECB because it's excluded. So right there, those are some good offers and some good coupons that it looks like we're going to be getting this Sunday. Continuing, we're going to be seeing offers for Right Guard, buy 2, get 2, for Nexus, spend 20, get 10, for the deodorant buy two get five, and it's also saying that we're going to be getting a coupon, so I'll see if that's a really good deal and I'll share that later. For the Olay, it says that look in most Sunday's newspapers for a free Olay facial cleanser with the purchase coupon. So, and it says up to $7.99 value, so that should be interesting there. And Nivea is gonna be saying we're gonna be getting a coupon for that as well. For the dial is 248, and I know there's a printable right now, but you're not getting any back ECB, so it's a special price, but you're not getting any back ECB on that. So, and also for La Roche products, spend 30 get 10. I hear that is a good product and they're very expensive, so that is a good time to get it if that's a product that you do like. Continuing, I love to see the Johnson's products when it says buy one get 150% off, and then you spend 20 you get 5. So hopefully we'll get coupons. I haven't seen any yet, but it's good that we see a deal. Also, the same deal for the Poise pads, buy one get 150% off, spend 15 and get 3 ECB. It's not saying about the coupons, but hopefully we get coupons on that too. And also for the Huggies wipes, it's gonna be also buy one get 150% off, and you spend 20 and you get 5. So those are some good deals, especially for baby items too. Colgate with card is going to be for $2.99. It says instant coupon. We are going to be getting a $1.50 coupon, and it says that the manufacturer coupon is going to be 50 cents, and you get 99. The total is going to be 99 cents. But let's keep looking more into that in case there's also other coupons that we may have. It might be a better deal too. So that's a good thing to know. So don't forget to scan your card on that Sunday, August 5th. It's same for the Chic on the top, buy two get 8, and we might be getting coupons, but it says that you can send it to the card. Colgate is buy one get $2, and for the Axe, it says that in the newspaper there might be a free body wash, so we might be getting some good coupons on that Sunday, based on what I'm seeing on the ad for CVS. The Bulldog is a men's skincare. I've been looking at the prices for that. It looks like it's a good product for men to start taking care of their skin and when they're shaving. In this case, you spend 12, you get 3 ECB. A while back, I saw coupons for it, but I will have to check if there's a coupon to make it even a better deal. All these Claritin, I think they're showing that there might be extra ECBs getting for those items. A lot of pills, medicines, especially for allergies, especially when it's back to school. It's good to sometimes get those when you see a really good deal. So it's good that they're promoting it in the ad, and I'll see if there's any good coupons for it. And if it's the best deal, I'll share that in the best deal offers video. And we'll continue with more pills as well. Buy one get one free for Nature Made. There's going to be a lot of offers, vitamins on this ad. On this ad, what caught my attention is the Ollie gummy. I hear so many good things about it. It's a good product, and I like that I see that it's spend 15 get 5. So I think that will be a good deal. And sometimes we've been seeing some high value coupons especially when they were promoting it. And I'm gonna see if it's gonna be a good offer. But I'm glad to see that there is a ECB for that product. Centrum is saying that we're gonna be getting some coupons, and it will make it to $6.99. It's not the best price, but that is a good deal in case you really needed it. The CVS brand, buy one get one free. That is a good offer too, especially if those are vitamins that you really need to stock up and get. Sometimes we need to get vitamins last minute, and instead it's good to see when there's a deal to get them ahead of time so we can save money. So when we need it, they're available. And also Irwin Naturals vitamins, spend 20 get 5. Garden of Life, buy 2 get 5. Chapter vitamins, spend 20 get 5. And Gaia herbs, spend 15 get 3. And I know that one is a little high priced product. And on this page, it'll show that if you buy 2 Radiant Platinum products, when you buy 2, you get 10 ECB. And sometimes those are some good deals. But it has to be the Radiant Platinum, which is the bottle's a little bit, it's a platinum almost color. So I'll share, if I see any coupons too, I'll share if that was a good deal. Also the Nature Bounty, I really like those vitamins, but the coupons, they used to be really good before, but now they're limiting to 1. So I'll see if there's a limit on that coupon. But if it's not, then I'll share that on my best deals video. Sundown Naturals, buy 1 get 1 free. They are saying that it's going to be a big BOGO event. They started that on the other ad as well, but in this ad you can see there's a lot more vitamins, any type of medicine, a lot of, like you see coupons, but also a lot of great deals on buy 1 get 1, or also including ECB. So that's a really good event. Now you'll be able to see, now the Charming and Bounty, usually see it more promoting it on the top. Now in this one, spend 20, get 5. And the price is 6, I think it's 99. And also the Tide, the big Tide is going to be 11.94. So you can mix and match with those items in the yellow box. If you want to spend 20 and then you get back to 5 ECB. Tampax is going to be buy 1 get 1 50% off, but there's no ECB on that one. For the Copper Tone, buy 1 get 1 50% off, buy 2 get 2. And Hershey's, usually you see the Hershey's being promoted so often. So if you're running down low on that, then it's a good time to start stocking up. In the corner there, I want to share with you Almay. If you remember on this ad that is coming up this Sunday, it's saying right on the front of the ad that Almay is gonna be expecting a mystery coupon. I suggest you don't use that coupon on this Sunday. I prefer if you wait for that coupon and use it on this ad that starts August 5th, because as you can see in the ad, it says spend 12, you get 4 ECB. And I'm going to be sharing with you a few deal ideas, how you could use that mystery offer, combining it with the spend 12 deal, and it's stating that we're going to be getting a coupon. I'm just sharing these different deals because I don't know what the coupon is going to apply to. Usually it's almost every product, but the price of the coupon, the value of it does change. So here are just ideas in case. Here's a deal idea without the mystery coupon. You buy 2 of the Almay eyeshadow for $6.99, so the total will be $13.98. Use 2 of those coupons that is saying that we're going to be getting that Sunday, August 5th for $3. So you use 2 of those and you pay $7.98. You get back 4 ECB, making it $3.98 or just $1.99. Keep in mind that the ad is saying $3, but it's still not specifying if it includes eyes or just face products or lip. So this is just a deal idea based on what the ad is showing me. Now, if you have the mystery coupon and you hold on to it, that you should be able to scan this Sunday, July 29, then the deal, you will do the same deal idea, but instead you pay $4.98. You get back the 4 ECB and your total will be 98 cents or just 49 cents for each of those items that they kind of new. So it will be a good time to get them. Another idea will be, let's say it does apply to the lipstick, that coupon. You could buy 2 of their lipstick for $6.29. Use 2 coupons if it does apply for the lipstick. Use that mystery coupon. I put $3 because usually it starts at $3. But if it's $4, it will even be a better money maker. So let's say it's $3, the mystery coupon. So you pay in the register $3.58 and you get back 4 ECB, making it free, and 42 cents money maker. Remember, these are just deal idea and we just have to go based on the ad. But later on, we'll have to see what the coupon states and what is the mystery offer we're going to get this Sunday. And reaching the end of our ad, you will see that the Kit Kat, Reese's, the single wars, the Hershey singles are going to be for 99 cents. Everybody's going to get this instant coupon, so don't forget to scan your card. And it will be 25 cents each single candy once you use that coupon. So this is the end of the ad. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to share with you, this was what I was able to see quickly and share with you some of those ideas for you to hold on to those coupons as well and print those that are still available. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Bye.